Why are wine vintages so important, and what's the difference between an average year and a great one? When it comes to vintages, the thing that we focus most on is the weather. The soil quality stays the same, relatively speaking, but the weather changes year after year. So you want the perfect combination of sunshine and rain, and the perfect mix of hot and cold temperatures. Every year is different. Some you win, some not so much. Challenging years with excessive rain, drought, hail, and even fire can make for wines that are less than ideal. Although the wine will still be good, it may feel a bit out of balance, maybe a bit flat, maybe lighter than usual. Sometimes it might even taste like hints of smoke. As with life, most years are good, and then some are exceptional. In the average years, the winemaker is often faced with challenges that make their job more difficult. They have to work that much harder to create wines that live up to their full potential. But in great vintages, the growing environment makes for sublime wines of character and balance. Fresh acids, soft tannins, full and rich body, intense flavor profile, everything just seems to be working in perfect harmony. These are the vintages that go down in history. Winemakers generally know when they're having a good year, so if you keep your ear to the ground, you'll hear if they're going to declare a great vintage. One way to tune in is to use vintage charts, and there are countless versions of those online. My go-to is Wine Spectator. Their comprehensive charts drill down to an almost granular level, including subregions and grape varieties. Another suggestion I can make is to buy 2 separate vintages of the same wine and try them for yourself. That way you can decide for yourself which is better and see if it jives with the charts. These days it's easier than ever to seek out a great vintage. Just use your resources, listen for the buzz, and then trust your own palate. Thanks for drinking with me today. On behalf of WTSO, I'm Marc Supsic. Cheers.